What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is actually my first video for the 2023 year, so yeah, I'm gonna give myself a round of applause. I didn't think I would be making YouTube videos this long. I just wanted to try it out, see if I can manage it, but ultimately see if I really like it and see if I enjoy it. So I do, and like I said, give myself a round of applause. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be installing tail light tint on my Dodge Charger. Last year I previously installed tail light tint. Overall, I like the design. That tint reminded me of like a Transformer or like a Decepticon tail light tint or something like that. So the only thing was that 6 months later, and I kind of see a little bit of just the tint falling off. I don't know if that's because of the rain or it's just the material in general that's used for the sticky adhesive, whatever it's called. But I noticed some parts chipping off. I noticed some parts, peeling off, and I just didn't like that. So I thought it was time for a new design, a new concept. With that being said, let's get it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here, like, it will kind of peel off. Like, I can already pinch it and peel it off right here. I know you can't really see well on the camera, but same things like on the ends. Kind of just peel off right there. On this side, you can kind of see some of the light getting through. I had to change that 2 times. I had to like cut off another little vinyl piece. Thank God I had like extra, left over, but I had to recover it. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but honestly, it kind of just, I don't like it anymore, and I want to switch it up. So let's go ahead and get this new tail light tint on. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take this old vinyl off, go ahead and clean the tail lights, and from there we can put on that new vinyl. So let's get it. And honestly, guys, I had this tail light tint on for about like 6 months now, and I mean, it's easy like that, just peel it off. So I'll put the link in the description of the old tail light tint I have and the new one. And like I said, leave in the comments which one you guys like better. I think I'm gonna like this new one better just because, I had this for a little bit. But yeah, it's easy, guys. Like 1, 2, 3, just go ahead and peel that off. Just like that. It's easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done real quick. Alright, guys, so just like that. Back with the old. Man, I kind of miss how the old one looks like, just because, or not the old one, but the original. I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging it now. But still, I'm gonna put these new ones on. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the car and let's get to it. Honestly, I'm just using window cleaner. So you guys can use whatever you want to do. So. Alright, so pretty much this is what it came in. Package. One thing is the vinyl tint. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. When I bought this one, it also came with the side lights on the side of the car. So I'll show you guys that as well. Yeah, and then it came with a nice little squeegee thingy and an extra towel. So that's pretty much it. So let's get to work. Also, guys, what I noticed when unpackaging, like, it also has the names labeled. So it's like, this says driver, passenger, or driver fender, passenger trunk. I know you guys can't see it on camera, but driver trunk. So like, it has everything labeled, so you pretty much know where everything goes. You're not gonna be lost and confused. So that's what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. I mean, I like how you still get, you know what I'm saying, you still get that outer light. That's what I like. Also, guys, another thing we're going to be adding on the car are the side marker tints for the rear and the front side lights. So it should be really easy to install. Those took like Not even 5 minutes. These are probably gonna take less. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. All right, guys. So that's what the finished product looks like. As you can tell, it's officially blacked out. Here's what the front ones look like. Definitely blacked out. You can't see that. All right, guys. So that's what the finished product looks like. I don't really have that much space in my garage to show you guys like a full spectrum view of the car, but I'm gonna wait till nighttime, my car outside, and I'm gonna show you guys then. So peace. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like at nighttime. I like it just because I'm able to keep that original, that tail light, that ring that goes all the way around. So that's probably my biggest like I like about the whole thing. Definitely brings out the black in that. So I like it a lot. And as far as the sides go, this is what the sides look like. I like it. I'm digging it. I know light's gonna shine up here, but you know, you're gonna have to have light regardless. Also down here, this is what the front looks like. So yeah, overall I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. I'm liking it. Definitely brings out the car, and yeah, I'm liking it a lot, man. So like I said, this is what the back looks like again. Just give it a full rundown. Said, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and let me know in the comments down below whether you liked that transformer look or this new look I got right now. So I'm definitely liking this one. Honestly, I like both of them. Yeah, if this one starts messing up again, like after a couple months, I might go back to the other one. The thing I like about this one was that this one took like 5 minutes to install, while the other one took a little longer. There was more detail you had to kind of like go over, you know. So but at the end of the day, I like both of them. I'm liking this one, so I'm gonna see how long this one lasts for. And yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment down below, and again, just thank you guys for all the support and all the love you guys show me. I really truly appreciate it. So for those of you out there that's watching this, may 2023 bring everyone blessings, bring you guys blessings specifically, and let's attack this year, man. So peace till next time.